Let me show you how easily rise and fall can get to be. Okay, it's a real account generally. Tulianza, make sure you watch the first video before coming to this. As usual, we start from the analysis. I will just attach a kind of larger view hapo chini. So we start to fall. The reason why I'm going for fall, I guess mtaona chart I'll place hapo. I had set a barrier where the market breaks, I'm in for my fall trades. So the first, I'm just doing a voiceover. It's already like a done trade. So at first, ukiangalia, I was using 1 tick. I had to go back and switch to my default 5 ticks. Remember, nikiload the software inakam with 1 tick, so I had to change it to 5 ticks, then continue running. As you have seen from the analysis, we are strongly on a bearish, momentum, right? From the first order block yenye nilimark pale juu, and we continue flowing. Ukiangalia, lazima market ita reach to our plotted zones, okay? Now, let me answer a question. Why did I go for falling trades? Number one, ukiangalia, from my analysis, we had, you can just pause nyuma kidogo and check. We had a bearish momentum, a very strong one actually, but again, singing here before we got like a confirmation from the line yenye nilikuwa nimeweka hapo, okay? So once we got a confirmation, we knew after my break hapo, the next zone was to target our second zone, of which I've shown you how easy it is to predict this zone. And again, if you want to learn like all these, you definitely know where to find me. So we want to take advantage of such reversals, because after a strong reversal, you definitely have to retrace back, of which that's how the market moves. You can't be like generally on profit 24/7. So for the longest, we have had like 3 consecutive losses. And again, I will show you why. I will show you why we had like that continuous row of losses. And again, you expect some more turbulence around that area. If you like squinch down the charts, you can check. We are closing onwards to that previous high, right? And having that in mind, we have to like do like few trades to kisimamo. Ukiangalia, I'm only doing like two stopping, and moving on. Ukiangalia. So far, until to figure around zone 81,600, let me just show you why we have those losses. Just check these. Ukiangalia mali market iko sahi and where it was earlier, you can see that consolidation over there. That's what we are trying to avoid. But again, we've already hit our target. The rest is just like scrambling the few profits. I was thinking to reduce the stake, but again, I saw an easy opportunity. I was to stop at that, but we had to continue. So later on, I had to wait for a couple of minutes before executing. Kwanza nikasoma market. So that trade actually was a mistake entry, because again, I was expecting the market to on that stop of 81,500. I was to stop at that, but again, after executing this, is it stop on a loss? Definitely. And again, I know the consolidation and the pullbacks, the Deriv, we knew we had to recover that before we continue. My next trade will be on that strong week and pale. Just check at that. So he went on a loss, but look at that week that was created. Exactly, that's what we needed. And then the second trade and stop. You see? Easy timing, easy candle learning, and you can manage whatever account you're doing as long as you have the skills of using the price action combined with the candle analysis. Yeah, and that's all you need actually. I'll again attach my analysis up at chini so that you see the market dropped actually drastically to my zone. You can see it's moving from the upper side of the channel to the lower side of the channel, which is how channel on Deriv work, right? Adios.